Welcome to another informative edition of the Market Opening Gong, the program that gives you a wrap-up of activities in the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the key developments for the week. Aligning with its organizational objectives for the year 2020, United Capital PLC has announced that the company has successfully raised the sum of 10 billion naira in its Series 1 bond issuance under a 50 billion medium-term debt program registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The bond issuance, which opened on May 4, 2020 and closed on Friday, May 15, 2020, was oversubscribed by 24% investor orders, making United Capital the first issuing house to issue a corporate bond in the history of the Nigerian capital market. Central Securities Clearing System PLC held its 26th annual general meeting, where shareholders approved 86 kobo dividend per share payouts to shareholders. The AGM was held by proxy at the Nigerian Stock Exchange Event Center, Lagos, whilst observing relevant social distancing protocols and hygiene aimed at curtailing the spread of COVID-19. Following the approval of shareholders on the 86 kobo dividend per share proposed by the board, CSCS would be paying a total of 4.3 billion naira to its shareholders, some 22.8% year-on-year growth in return to shareholders when compared to 3.5 billion naira dividend, 70 kobo dividend per share paid in the previous year. Speaking on the performance of the company, the chairman of the board of directors, Mr. Oscar N. Onyema, noted the resilience of CSCS performance amidst market volatility and dwindling transaction volumes in 2019. This set of results and impressive returns to shareholders are commendable, particularly when put in the perspective of the relatively weak liquidity in the market in 2019, he said. This feat reflects the tenacity of the management in diversifying the business and commitments to cost efficiency. Whilst transaction fees waned, it is satisfying that CSCS sustained both top and bottom line growth with revenue and profit before tax of 9.1 billion naira and 6.3 billion naira respectively, the chairman noted. Also commenting on the results, the Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Aruna Jallo Waziri said, "My colleagues and I remain committed to our earnings growth and cost efficiency philosophies as being driven by the ultimate objective of creating superior value for shareholders and enhancing market efficiencies. I am pleased with the 165% growth in non-core earnings, reflecting our tenacity towards diversifying the business. More importantly, the overall performance reflects the payoff of our painstaking investment in people and new technologies as we strengthen our capacity to serve our participants better and meet anticipatory need of the market." You can also check for updates on the impact of COVID-19 on markets and the economy on the Corona Watch Central dashboard showing on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, in the first quarter of 2020, Nigeria's gross domestic products grew by 1.87% year-on-year in real terms, according to the National Bureau of Statistics. This performance was recorded against the backdrop of significant global disruptions resulting from the COVID-19 public health crisis, a sharp fall in oil prices, and restricted international trade. The performance recorded in Q1 2020 represents a drop of minus 0.23% points compared to Q1 2019 and minus 0.68% points compared to Q4 2019, reflecting the earliest effects of the disruption, particularly on the non-oil economy. Quarter-on-quarter, real GDP growth was minus 14.27% compared to 5.59% recorded in the preceding quarter. For the key events to watch, Dr. Kubianga Udofia, Managing Associate at Babalakin & Co., a legal commercial firm, will discuss doing business in Nigeria and the sanctity of contracts on the economy and politics Chronomics discourse by 9 a.m., while Dr. Temitope Oshikoya, an economist and the CEO of Nextonomics, will explore repositioning Africa's regional economy amongst global uncertainties on the Market Review program by 10 a.m. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports and to watch a live stream of the weekday Corona Watch program. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.